Operators in Java. Okay. Unary operators. Okay. Unary operators, unary increment and unary decrement operators. Plus plus minus minus. Okay, plus plus means unary increment operator, minus minus means unary decrement operator. Add one value or subtract one value from the variable. Okay. Then arithmetic operator, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, then mod operator, that is percentage operator. Okay, unary operator only two. One is plus plus, then minus. Okay, plus plus and minus minus. There is one is unary increment operator, then another one is unary decrement operator. So we can use this operator in both prefix form and the postfix form. A plus 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 plus. Okay, A plus 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 plus. Okay, both the form increment one value to the variable A. Okay. So minus minus we can use A minus minus and minus minus. Okay, it will decrement one value from the particular operands. Then arithmetic operator, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, then percentage operator is a mod operator. It will actually it is used in the integer category. It will return the remainder, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. The percentage operator is the remainder operator. Then assignment operator, that is equal to operator. So what's the use of assignment operator? The assignment operator is used to assign a value to the variable. Okay. Assignment operator is used to assign a value to the variable. Int a equal to 10, float f equal to 3.14. Okay, that is assignment operator. Then arithmetic assignment operator, that is equal to, plus equal to, minus equal to, star equal to, slash equal to, then mod equal to. So these 5 are arithmetic assignment operator. Okay. So it joins arithmetic and assignment operator. That is plus equal to, minus equal to, star equal to, slash equal to, percentage equal to. Then relational operator, that is less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, not equal to, then equal. Okay, these are the relational operator. The relational operator are used to compare two variables. Okay, that is a relational operator. Then logical operator, and operator, then or operator. So these two are logical operator. Then bitwise operator,
Please hold on.
Okay, sorry. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, sir. Okay. So operators, unary operators, plus plus minus minus. So unary increment, unary decrement operator, arithmetic operator, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, mod operator. Then assignment operator, equal operator. Then arithmetic assignment, plus equal to, minus equal to, star equal to, slash equal to, then percentage equal to. Relation operator, less than, greater than, less than equal to, greater than equal to, not equal to, then equal to. Logical operator and or. Okay. So actually the purpose of logical operator is used to combine two relational expression. Okay. Then bitwise operators. So bitwise operator, Java define actually several bitwise operator that can be applied to the integer types only. Okay, there is long, int, short, byte, and character also. Okay, so bitwise not. Okay, negation symbol. Okay, bitwise not. Then this is okay. So this is bitwise not simple. Bitwise unary not. Then bitwise unary and. Then bitwise unary not. Then bitwise exclusive or. Okay, operator. Then shift right. Then shift left. Then shift right zero fill. Shift left zero fill. Okay. Okay. So these are the bitwise operators. Then conditional operator, that is question mark colon. That's a conditional operator. Okay. So you try to use this operator. Okay. Unary, arithmetic, assignment, relational, logical, bitwise, conditional. Okay. So I will show one simple program, then we will move to next. Class operator, public static void main of string array. Okay, public static void main string array. Int a equal to 10, b equal to 3. Operator.java. Okay. Okay. Tell me, anyone, what will be the output of this program? What will be the output of this program? Int a equal to 10, b equal to 3, system.out.println plus a
33.
in
33.
33.
33.
33.
So actually, plus a 11
11
into
into
3.
3.
3. Okay. Okay, good. Okay, 33. So here we are using prefix form. Here we are using postfix form. Okay. So here first the value of a is incremented. Okay. So then the value of a will be 11. Okay. So plus a 11. So 11 into 3. So after multiplication only, the value of b will be decremented by 1. So so 33. The value of b is 2. Okay. The value of b is 2. Suppose here I am printing okay the value a plus the value b, the string concatenation. Okay, a b Java compilation, Java interpretation. Okay, so now the value of a is 11 and b is 2. Okay. Then bitwise operator. Suppose a and b, then a or b. Here I am using the bitwise operator. So the value of a and b. Okay, the binary value of 10. Okay, the binary value of 10 is actually 1010. Am I correct? Correct. The binary value of 10 is 1010. Am I correct? Okay. Then the binary value of 3 is 0011. Okay. Am I correct? So here the AND operation. Here the AND operation. So both are 1. It will print 1, otherwise 0. So here 0, here 0, here 1, because 1 and 1, 1. Here 0. So now the value of this is 2. Now the value of the decimal is 2. So like that, or means either any one of the operand is 1, it will return 1. So 1, 0, 1, 1. So now the value is, can you understand?
So, what is the difference between logical and bitwise operator? Like we have logical and as well as bitwise and, right? Where do we implement this? What, like if I give A and B, what will happen?
A and B.
A and B, logical and if I give.
A double ampersand.
Ah.
Here A double ampersand. Then A double R. Okay. we can use the logical operator only the relational expression. Okay. Okay.
Okay, okay.
So suppose A greater than B. And A not equal to 0. Okay, here we can use it's a true. True means A greater than B is true, then A not equal to 0 is also true. Okay. Okay. So these are the operators in Java. Okay, unary operators, arithmetic operators, assignment operator, arithmetic assignment operator. That is A plus equal to B. That means A equal to A plus B. A minus equal to B. That means A equal to A minus B. Like that. Okay. Then bitwise operator, condition operator. Condition operator. Actually, the condition operator. The syntax of condition operator. Actually, A greater than B. Question mark A. Else. So actually, this conditional question mark colon. This is a condition operator. Here, this operator is used to find the largest number of the given of the two numbers A and B. So if A greater than B, then it will print A. Otherwise, it will print B. So that is the use of conditional operator. Okay, here 10. So the greatest number is 10. So 10 is printed here. Okay. Okay. So do you have any doubt on operators? Please ask.
What will happen if I use this like we have bitwise operators of double less than, double greater than, like triple less than, triple greater than,
Yes.
like,
Yes.
where these things implemented?
Okay. Actually, left shift and right shift. This is left shift. This is right shift. So actually, the shift operators shift all of the bit value in a value to the left or right a specified number of times. Okay, the shift operator shift all of the bits in a value to either left or right a specified number of times. So actually the general format, actually int A equal to 10. Okay. The value of the binary value of 10 is, I already told, 1010. That means here 2 power 0. 0 into 2 power 0. 1 into 2 power 1. 0 into 2 square. 1 into 2 cube. That is 8 plus 2, 10. Okay. So if you here A right shift 1. This is A left shift 1. Okay. So A right shift 1 means here 0, it will be discarded. So the output is 0, 1, 0. The value is suppose left shift 1. That means here here the value is 101. Here the value is 1010. Again 10. Okay. So we'll see the output. So int A equal to 10. Okay. Here A right shift 1. Here A left shift 1. So one is 5 and another one is 20. So when we are using the right shift, here this is right shift. When we are using the right shift, the value of the variable is the variable divided by 2. That is 101. I let tell the 1010. Right shift means 101. 101 means 5. Okay. Suppose left shifting means 1010 is 10100. The value will be left shifted. In the last position we put 0. So 10100. That is the value of 20. So this is 20. So 16 plus 4. That is 20. Okay. Are you clear?
Yeah.
Okay. So actually, these operators can be used in the set operator. Okay, in mathematical. Okay, we can use this operator, bitwise operator. Then conditional operator is question mark call. So there are 8 different types of operators in Java: unary, arithmetic, assignment, relational, logical, bitwise, then conditional operator.